let's have a look at the verb tenses. So what are the verb tenses? What are the verb tenses? Okay, so we've got simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous, then we've got past, present, and future. Okay, so past, simple, simple past, danced, danced, danced is simple past. Okay, continuous past is was dancing, was dancing. Continuous past is was dancing, was dancing. Okay, the past perfect is had danced, had danced. Past perfect continuous had been dancing, had been dancing. These are by the way 12 verb tenses. We've got 12 verb tenses, right? Simple past, past continuous past, perfect continuous past. Then we've got simple present, continuous present, perfect continuous present. Then we've got the future, and so forth and so forth. So the past, we've just covered the past of simple, continuous, perfect continuous. Now we come to present. Present simple is dance. Present simple is dance. Present continuous is am dancing. Present continuous is am dancing. Present perfect is have danced. And then present perfect continuous is have been dancing. Present perfect continuous is have been dancing. So now we've covered the present and we've covered the past for the verb tenses. Then we've got the future. So future simple, will dance. I will dance. It's very simple. It's in the future. Future continuous, will be dancing. You see? Future continuous is will be dancing. Future perfect, will have danced. I will have danced. Future perfect continuous, will have been dancing. So there we have it, the 12 verb tenses. These are known as the 12 verb tenses. Okay, there's many more examples of these. You can find them online, but for the sake of this lesson, we have gone through an example based around the infinitive of to dance, right? So past simple, danced. Past continuous, was dancing. Past perfect, had danced. Past perfect continuous, had been dancing. Then we've got the present simple, dance. Present continuous, am dancing. Present perfect, have danced. Present perfect continuous, have been dancing. Future will dance. Future continuous, will be dancing. Future perfect, will have danced. And then future perfect continuous, will have been dancing. So this is just one set of examples, but it hopefully should make it easier moving forward. If you like this video, subscribe, give it a like, share. Yeah, you're not alone in your English learning language journey. So yeah, just hopefully you've benefited from this video. If you have, give us a like, give us a subscribe. Thank you very much.